Yo, what's up everyone? Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate it. Today we're going to go ahead and take a first-hand look at these units right here. This is a tattoo pedal and this is a power supply, and these are from a company called Dragoart Tattoo. I will leave links in the description below so you can check these out on your end. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight on into this review. So me personally, I want to start with the pedal. We'll work our way over to the power supply here. We will unbox everything on camera. As you see, this is going to be a FUGU pedal. Now forgive me if I'm mispronouncing that. I feel like I am mispronouncing that, and forgive me if I am. And this pedal right here stood out to me because it's not like any pedal that I've used. Let me explain why. This pedal here is air operated, so to speak. As you see, there's like a little tubing there and you can hear it. I can actually feel the air as well. I'm not sure if you can push that, but I can feel the air coming out from that little tube end right there. And that's a lot there. It feels it's a pretty strong current of air when I press it. So that's what was different about this pedal. As you can see, it's all silicone right here, is what it looks like. It's of a silicone build. And it's a plastic hosing here, as you see. So we are going to get into taking that apart here shortly. Let's check out what else is under the hood here. And on this end, as you can see, we have the input, the jack there, as well as, I'm assuming, the other hydraulic end there is going to go into here. So I can get a good idea of how this is going to work here. Allow me to move this on over and assemble this on camera with you all here. So you're obviously going to want to disassemble your hose. I'm very interested to see how this pedal right here overall works, as I've never used anything like this. So as you see on the line right here, we have this little screw mechanism. So I'm assuming what we're gonna wanna do is, let me show on my camera right here, place this end of the tubing into here, like so, all the way through, as you can see. And even alone, just putting that in there, it's actually a snug fit. And then right here, you're just gonna wanna screw this on to kind of lock it in place, like so. It does look as though that's the furthest that it goes there. So you can hear now, when you press the pedal, there's a clicking sound within this mechanism here. So this pedal never fully presses all the way down either. This is actually really nice. I didn't think that it was gonna work like this, but let me show you up close here. Now, me personally, I have not seen any pedal that's air operated. I'm sure there may be more out there, but even that idea has not ever crossed my mind until I got this in my hands. So overall though, you can see setup for the pedal is very, very simple. Let me go ahead and press it one more time. And you can, I'm turning to the side so you can see how far I press it. So there's a mechanism in here. Something is happening within this box here. And again, I am going to leave links in the description so you can read more on this pedal, read all the details and everything. I want to put you in front of the product here in this video. Let me take this off as well. And this cord right here plugging into the power supply seems very long. So overall, this pedal right now seems durable, seems rugged, as it is mostly silicone and plastic here. And it is an air-based pedal. So I'm not too worried if I drop it. I really wouldn't care or anything like that. And that's a plus side of using something like this. And here is the cord, the cable. It is a fairly long cable there, as well as a fairly long hose right here. Okay, so now I want to take a look at this power supply here, also from Dragoart. This is the Magic Creator 3 is what it looks like right there. I'm going to cut the plastic open on the side, and we're just going to unbox it here. So allow me to show you the box of this power supply right here. Feel free to pause at any point should you choose to do so. So that's the box there. Very simple, very straightforward. This is the top of the box right here. And that is the bottom. So upon opening the box, this is what you were greeted with. You were greeted with the interface of the actual power supply. As you see, it has some foam there so you can ensure that your investment is protected as well. This is just what I'm seeing here as I'm going. So you have the inputs right here as well as a pedal. So the end of this pedal is going to go into here, if I'm understanding that correctly. And we're going to test that out right now. We're going to see how it all works together. We're going to see how the pedal, you know, works in unison with this power supply right here. And the power supply is actually very light. Again, I will leave links in the description below so you can check it out on your end and you can get the specifics of how much it weighs, but it's not much in weight at all. It's actually super, super light when I hold it. Let's check out what else comes in the box. So right here we have the adapter to turn this on, and the adapter is very straightforward. There's only one input that goes right there. Plug it in like so, and that's pretty much setting up for the supply here, the power supply. Allow me to clear out these boxes and make room for the pedal and everything so that I can show you all better. So setting up is very, very straightforward. Again, we're just going to get the adapter and I'm going to plug it in. As you see, as soon as you plug it in, it turns right on. And as you see, as you start click, it is a click and turn. And as you see, you start going through the voltages. So here we have the pedal. I'll put it on the table for you all. Now, I think that this is a cool pedal because it'll be easy for cleanup as well once we straighten out that hydraulic cord. That's probably just after some usage and breaking it in. So let's connect the tattoo machine as well. So setting up the machine is very straightforward. In this instance, I have the CNC P6, just a standard RCA cable. I'm going to plug this one into the first one here. If you had another machine, you can plug it into the second one. And I'm gonna press down. And as you see, we have voltage. We have current. The machine is now ready to rock. If I haven't stated, one thing that I do love about the pedal here is the easy cleanup. We can just literally wipe it down with Cavicide. Obviously, you won't want to submerge this in water here. However, wiping it down and cleaning it will be very, very simple and straightforward. Now, after unboxing, my first impressions here, I'm going to give 3 stars to the Magic Creator Power Supply. I do like the fact that it does have 2 inputs as well as the ability to operate with the pedal. I also do love the fact that we can use the power supply without any pedals. I also do love the range of voltage it gives us. However, I'm not fond of the build. I've seen many other builds like this on the market, as well as this one feels, you know, more on the plastic end. I want my power supplies to feel a bit more sturdy and stable. However, this one still definitely will get the job done and not break the bank. So it is one to consider. So I'm giving this one 3 stars for me. However, this one I may be a little biased about because I haven't seen anything like it as of yet. This FUGU pedal, the air operated pedal, I'm gonna give this a 5 stars just simply because I can see it being easy to maintain. I can literally choose if I want spray this side down with Cavicide and just wipe it down, or just do simple Cavicide wipes, Opticide wipes to kind of wipe it all down, wrap it how I choose to do so. I have not seen anything like this. It is an air powered pedal and it does work. So that's why I'm giving it 5, just because I like things that are simple and easy to use and easy to maintain. The setup wasn't hard at all for me. As you saw there, is very, very easy, very straightforward. Doesn't even need any directions to set it up. But that's how I feel about this. Again, I am going to leave links in the description below for you so you can check this out on your end. With that being said, taking another look at the power supply here, as you can see, the pedal is very straightforward. Press it down, we're good to go. And again, it is air powered, which is very, very awesome. The power supply here is a very, very standard and straightforward power supply. This little button, if you click it, you have continuous power running. You don't need the foot pedal. Me personally, I love the foot pedal. I love this foot pedal. This is a great foot pedal right here. And as you can see though, the voltage range does fluctuate. And this right here is made of plastic, so it's very, very light. We're very, very low in the voltage range. So the lowest that it goes is 1.5. And the highest that it goes, let's see. And it is a clicking mechanism. So 12 volts is the highest that it reaches there. So 1.5 to 12 volts, we do get a wide range there. Overall though, I definitely like this setup right here. I never really go above 8, so I would use 8 and below. Very nice. The lighting is very, very nice. Overall though, I'm going to say this yet again. I have never currently yet to see anything like this FUGU pedal. And forgive me if that's the mispronunciation for it, but this is a beautiful pedal right here. It is air operated. I'm going to stretch out this hose a bit more throughout time. But you can hear how responsive it is overall. I definitely can highly recommend this pedal right here, especially for the price point, the easy to use, the easy to maintain. This is definitely worthwhile. You can kind of just unscrew this and really just thoroughly wipe everything down with some Cavicide wipes, Opticide wipes, whatever you choose to wipe it down with. And same thing with the power supply. You can kind of just wipe that down as well. Me personally, I just put a full barrier of plastic around the entire power supply, and you could do the same thing with the pedal as well. But the fact that it's air operated changes everything for me, and this one I can definitely highly recommend. This one is one of my personal favorites right here. Overall, this is going to get a lot of use out of me. I do like this pedal right here. I'm not really going to power supplies or standard power supplies often. However, when I do and when I choose to use a pedal, I think this is going to be one of the first ones that I think about upon, reaching for a pedal. This power supply right here is a very, very straightforward power supply, very inexpensive as well. It does everything that it needs and a little bit more, meaning you have the continuous running mode and you can plug in 2 machines at once. You have your pedal as well. And it's just a very simplistic setup here, very simplistic design and build overall. And for the price range, so if you're needing an extra power supply, you're wanting a budget power supply, you're just starting out, or everything in between, whatever the case may be, I can definitely recommend this power supply for you as well on your end. I am going to be leaving links in the description below again, so you can check these out on your end and read about the specifics and check out the price points to see if it's right for you, all of that. Should you have any questions though, if I didn't touch base on anything specific, please feel free to drop it in the comments below, and I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Now, I am going to be making more videos where I'm using this power supply and this pedal here, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for me. Now, I also have social medias all under the same name at Daniel Yuck. That's going to be DANIELYUCK. Social medias all under the same name: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support on there. Yet again, I appreciate your time. Thank you all for tuning in. Y'all have a great day.